Hello, my dear students. After a long week, today we are starting the class again. Hope you remember those studied in your earlier class. So today we are going to see some problems in your exercise 2.1. In that first to third question we have done, right? So today we are going to discuss some problems from fourth. Okay, so shall we start the class? Okay. So hope you remember about the fractions and decimals. We have discussed some thing about fractions, how to add two fractions, how to subtract fractions, how to find the biggest among the fraction of numbers. Okay, if you have any doubt, please revise that topics. So today I'm going to discuss some problems. Question number 4 from exercise 2.1. Rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1/2 centimeter long and 10 2/3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So if you are getting a question like this, how to find perimeter? When you are seeing the question, okay, it is 12 1/2, it is a mixed fraction. How to do this? Nothing. It is very easy. We will see how to do this. Okay, shall we start? Listen here. What is the rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1/2 centimeter long. So what is the length of the sheet? Length of the sheet is equal to 12 1/2 centimeter. This 12 1/2 centimeter is a mixed fraction, right? That we have discussed in our earlier class. What is fraction? What is proper fraction? Improper fraction, mixed fraction, etc. Like fraction, unlike fractions. Everything we have discussed in our earlier class. If you have any doubt, please revise that classes again. Then go through this video. Okay. Now 12 1/2 centimeter. How to convert it as a improper fraction? It is easy, right? What to do? We have to multiply this 12 with 2 and add with 1. That is 12 into 2 plus 1 and keep the denominator as same. So you will get 12 into 2 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25/2 centimeter. That is, this 12 1/2 is a mixed fraction. When converting into the improper fraction, we will get 25/2 centimeter. Clear? Similarly, the breadth of the sheet. Breadth of the sheet. What is the breadth of the sheet here? Given 10 2/3 centimeter. This is also a mixed fraction. We need to convert it as an improper fraction. How to do this? 10 in same way, 10 into 3 plus 2 divided by, keep the denominator as same. We will get 30 plus 2 is equal to 32/3 centimeter. So 10 2/3 mixed fractions, improper fraction is 32/3. Clear how to do a mixed fraction to improper? Okay. Now moving on to the question. Find its perimeter. What is the equation to find the perimeter of a rectangular sheet or a rectangle? Perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. Right. This is the equation to find the perimeter of a rectangle. So same way, this is a rectangular sheet. So it is easy to find what. Already we got a length and breadth here. Just apply the values on this equation and we can find the perimeter. That is 2 into, instead of length, we found 25/2 plus breadth 32/3. Okay. Now what to do? Now see, it is a improper fractions, right? Now you can cross multiply the fractions, or you can find the LCM. That is your convenience. So I'm going to discuss here the method of cross multiplication. How to do the cross multiplication? 2 into. How will you do the cross multiplication? See, here the numerator and multiply the numerator with the fractions denominator. This way, then this way. That means multiply the numerator into the second denominator and plus multiply the denominator into the first numerator divided by multiply both denominators. Okay, this is the method to find the cross multiplication. So I am going to do like this: 25 into the second denominator plus, keep the sign, plus sign here, plus. Now this denominator into the second numerator. So this part, numerator part is over. All divided by 2 into 3. Multiply the both denominators. Okay. So here also 1 2 is there. Keep it as same. Into 25 into 3. What is 25 into 3? 5 3s are 15. 1 75 plus 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. Divided by 6. Right. Okay. Is equal to, I am going to write here, 2 into 75 plus 64. 139 divided by 6. Here it is multiplication, so the division is applicable for both the numbers. That is equal to 139 into 2 is 278 divided by 6. Got it? 278 divided by 6. Now see, in our question it is given like a mixed fraction. We got an improper fraction. So how to convert it as a mixed fraction? Same way. Listen here. 27/8 divided by, okay, like this, divided by 6. Okay, this is dividend, this is divisor, that you know. Now listen, 6 4s are 24 divided by, 7 4 3 8 6. See, we got what we got. So this is our quotient part. So when you are writing the proper fraction into mixed fraction, first write out the quotient part, that is 46. Okay. Now what is the remainder? 2. Write the remainder as a numerator, 2 divided by, here what is the divisor? 6. Write it as 2 by 6. Okay. Now see this 2 by 6, we can again cut it out. 46 into 1 by 3 centimeter. Okay, clear? Okay. Now we'll see the next problem. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE, and second problem, the rectangle BCD in this figure whose perimeter is greater. So from this, how to find the perimeter? Okay, then first you have to find the two perimeter of the triangle and rectangle. Then you have to find out which perimeter is greater. So how to do this? First we will see perimeter of triangle ABE. How to find triangle AB plus BE plus AE, right? That is, adding these three sides we will get the perimeter. What is AB? AB is 5 by 2 centimeter plus BE is 3 by 4 centimeter plus AE is 3 by 5 centimeter. Now see this, these two sides are given in a mixed fraction. Convert it into a proper fraction. How will you convert improper fraction? 2 into 4 plus 3 divided by 4. We will get 8 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 11 by 4. Same way 3 by 5 is equal to 3 into 5 plus 3 divided by 5. 15 plus 3 divided by 5. It is 18 by 5. So we can write 5 by 2 plus 11 by 4 plus 18 by 5. Now next step, you can do cross multiplication like first cross multiply this 2, then answer with this 2. Okay, you can do like that. Other way, the next method is using LCM. So here take the LCM of 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5 LCM. How to find the LCM? 2, 1, 2 into 2 is 4, 5, write it like this. Again 2, 1, 2 into 2 it is 1 time, write 5. After that no multiplication. So 2 into 2 into 5 is equal to 20 is our LCM. Now next step, listen. Write the LCM as denominator. Okay, whole divided by. Now 5 by 2. When taking 5 by 2, you take only 5 first. 5 into, see here it is 2. When this 2 is approaching to 20, that means when you are multiplying a number with 2, you will get 20. What is that number? Yeah, that is 10. 10 into 2 is 20. So you are writing only 10. Okay. Plus, write the 11 as same into, see here it is 4. When a number is multiplied by 4, you will get 20. What is the number? It is 5. Plus, same way here. Keep 18 as same. When a number is multiplied by 5, you will get 20. What is that? It is 4. Okay, this is easy method, right? It's nothing. Find the LCM of the denominator. Then write it as a common denominator, LCM. Then take each denominator and multiply the numbers when that numbers approaching to LCM. So it will become 50 plus 55 plus 52 divided by 20. Okay. So we will get to what? 50 plus 55 plus 72 is equal to 177 divided by 20. It is given as a improper fraction. Make it as a mixed fraction. Make it as improper. How to do? 177 divided by 20. In 8 20s are 160. Remainder is 7. Okay. So how will you write? First write down the quotient. Then remainder divided by the divisor. Clear? Now you do the second part. Okay. After the second part, you will get one answer. Then compare it. How to compare that we have learned in our first session. How to find the biggest in that fractions. Okay, that you have to try it yourself. Okay.